Is it time to buy or sell Interactive Brokers Group stock? In this video, we will explore Interactive Brokers Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 25th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Interactive Brokers Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.51. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.49%. This results in an average return of 0.12% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $62.58 is breached, it may initially suggest a deceleration in the upward momentum, but it could also serve as an early alert for a potential shift in trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 31.95% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 31.56% to 47.37%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 60.05%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.29% and 74.84% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $73.61 and $109.73. Our latest daily update for Interactive Brokers Group includes the headline: Interactive Brokers Group stock price ended at $62.76 on Monday after gaining 0.577%. The Interactive Brokers Group stock price gained 0.577% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. The stock rose from $62.40 to $62.76. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.71%, with a day low at $62.15 and a day high of $63.21. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, but is still down by 5.17% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 64,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $246.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $68.07, while the lowest price was $30.01. Currently, the price is 7.80%, or $5.31, below the 52-week high of $68.07, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Interactive Brokers is set to join the S&P 500 this week, taking the slot vacated by Walgreens Boots Alliance as that acquisition closes. This inclusion in the index is expected to produce an immediate boost in demand and liquidity as passive and benchmark tracking funds purchase shares. This often leads to a short-term price increase and tighter bid-ask spreads. Meanwhile, Interactive Brokers has rolled out Connections, a global product discovery tool aimed at broadening investors' access and accelerating client engagement. Coupled with management's active media presence and heightened investor interest, this product initiative helps justify the strong momentum the stock has exhibited, with roughly a 41% gain year-to-date in 2025. It also supports higher revenue potential over time. In the short term, we can expect a boost from index flows, increased trading volume, and elevated volatility as traders reposition. In the long term, sustainable growth depends on execution, whether Connections and the expanded product access can translate into sustained client growth, higher fee and trading revenue, and margin retention. If execution falters or market sentiment cools, the stock could experience profit-taking and multiple compression despite being in the spotlight of the S&P. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned IBKR a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned IBKR a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned IBKR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned IBKR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Saturday, the 1st of February 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned IBKR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Interactive Brokers Group stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a sell. The following signals have been identified for Interactive Brokers Group. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The stock for Interactive Brokers Group shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur around the levels of $62.78 and $62.89. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025. And so far, the stock has declined by 7.2%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Interactive Brokers Group. On the downside, the stock encounters support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $59.43 and $56.32. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In this instance, Interactive Brokers Group finds support just below today's level at $59.43. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $56.32 and $53.96. This stock typically trades with a solid volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.06, which is a change of 1.71% between its highest and lowest points. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Interactive Brokers Group, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest earnings will be around 490 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Interactive Brokers Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Interactive Brokers Group is at $63.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Interactive Brokers Group faces its first support level at $59.43. If this support level holds, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Interactive Brokers Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Nemser Earl H., who bought and sold 252,586 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 21.804. In total, insiders purchased 1,893,569 shares and sold 1,699,532 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Interactive Brokers Group stock a good buy? The stock of Interactive Brokers Group exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend overall, we anticipate that Interactive Brokers Group will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we expect Interactive Brokers Group to open lower by approximately 0.0533 and begin trading at 62.71. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you'll have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.